Julor Kapatisi TV.
Kajingtua khendo bat Jingtyllun mau ha ke Surok Laitlyngkot Pynursla kadangai Bteng ha ka ba kladan kowe ka kali auto keten kemudian u registration number ML not san u not R not khandai kabla Julor na kada Jingtyllun mau bat kat kum jingtip balayo lum lai thu bakam shim na dan pat kanu jingja bas ngausi yaki breu kani galenti kadang ap Jingma bat kampat chngan na kabenta kayat kayeng jangki pat ba Minden Kamit, ka Additional Deputy Commissioner ke Badairu ke Sub Divisional Officer Jong ke Pynursla Civil Subdivision, ke Lapintip, Banamar ke Jingjo Slap bat ke Jingtua Khendo, Haneng Pomlum, Hadan Chiing, on Kang Shuai ke Surok, na Laitlyngkot hadu Pynursla, tat hadu benda penmi dak ke Waipan ke Jing Penbana.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is, if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.